Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing some happy mail that I have received, and I do apologize in advance for the delay in uploading this video. I have recently become a grandma and I have been working every moment that I can to finish up the baby album, which I'm so excited is complete and has been mailed off. So thank you everyone for your patience. Let's get on to this wonderful happy mail. I will have everyone's channels linked down below. I'm gonna just set them aside. This first one is from Tree at Craft On. She hosts hashtag Let's Do Die Cutting Monday. I won one of her giveaways and she sent me these amazing die cuts. Looks like we have some bunnies and some big bows. These are so fun, and she picked the best possible color, which is the pinks. I love them. She sent some felt heart stickers, some more bows, and how funny, she also sent me this paper which has a note on the back, but this is the paper that I used for my baby album. Let's see. Thank you so much, Tree, for hosting such a fun hashtag. Thank you for all of these amazing die cuts. I plan on making these bows and have them ready to go or when I need them for my projects. Thank you so much. This next package is from JanetKay. She had posted on her channel about these gorgeous girls, and I didn't have any of these, so she sent these my way. Thank you so much for these. Thank you so much, JanetKay, for sending those my way. This is from Misty. I'm actually not going to show this one. Misty and I are doing a Halloween die cut swap. I am almost done with yours, so when I'm done I will show yours and then I will show mine in the same video. I just wanted to let you know, thank you so much. I received your package and I will have mine out to you soon. This next package is from Laura Plans and Crafts. Let's see what this is for. I just read the note from Laura. Laura, thank you so much. Laura was hosting a challenge and you were to send her your request for her to make an ATC card. I didn't realize that she was going to be sending it back to me, but I chose vintage using brads, and this is her ATC card. Oh, I love it so much. This is going to go into my pocket sleeve with ATC cards. It came out so nice. Look at that beautiful brad. And then she does have her information on the back. Thank you so much for that, Laura. That was so nice. And then she also sent me this. Look at this cute chunky dangle. Laura says she sent this to me because she was a guest designer for one of my challenges. You did not have to do that. This is adorable. It has my name. I love that because I can never find things with my name spelled correctly. Look at these fun flowers and the balloon dog, so cute. And this super fun lollipop. This is adorable. Thank you so much. That was not necessary, but I appreciate it so much. And that was from Laura at Laura's Plans Crafts. I won a prize from Corn at Cornflower Crafts. Let's take a look. It's so nicely packaged. Look at this note. Oh, that's so sweet. She wrote me this note, and look at this cool card. I love that boat image. That is beautiful. Lots of nice texture. Thank you so much, Warren and Handsome. And I believe this was a tag flip that I had won. This is amazing. She made this beautiful ribbon dangle with all blues. Look at these seashells. These are so nice. These beautiful charms. She has it decorated. Cute sea tag. These are so nice. This is textured. I love this paper. It's beautiful. Corn, this is amazing. I love it so much. Thank you. She shared these sparkly blings with me. This beautiful seahorse. I'm gonna go on a little side note here. When I was growing up, my dad had an extremely large saltwater tank in his den, and he had seahorses in there, along with a ton of other unbelievable sea creatures. He had seahorses, and I would sit in the dark and watch them for hours. Thank you so much. My dad has passed away. I think I'm going to take this and put this in my journal book where I have some pages of memories with him, and I'm gonna use this in there. Thank you so much, Corn. It has a little pocket back there. I think what I'm going to do is just write down that memory and tuck it in there for my book. We have another beautiful tag, and then she shared some, looks like some craft bags with me. This is beautiful. Thank you so much for your amazing handmade project. Thank you everyone that has shared these amazing happy mails with me. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.